Hi everyone, I'm Rita. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be decorating a Christmas wreath, so let's get started. I have some wired ribbon, and this I picked up at Michael's. Also from Michael's, I have this Christmas Noel. I also have these little miniature ornaments. I picked that up at Walmart. And also from Walmart, I found these picks. I decided I wanted some ribbon to weave through the wreath, so I cut a section off, and I'm just going to start at the top here and just tuck it in underneath one of these branches. And I could always pin that down with floral wire if it doesn't stay. I'm just going to go around here. Okay, now I'm just going to dovetail the ends of the ribbon to give it a finished look. I'm just cutting these branches down to about the length of these other picks that I have. And I'm just going around the wreath, just filling them in wherever it looks pretty. Okay, I'm liking the way that looks. I like the way it just like brightens it up a little. Makes it look more interesting when there's all these different textures and colors. I've just positioned these in place where I want them, and this is what I have so far. I haven't glued them in place yet. I'm going to start taking my glue gun and just individually gluing them in place where I want them. Now I'm making the bow for the top of the wreath. This is the center loop, so I've just curled this piece under, and I'm just starting to make my loops. I think I'm going to do 6 loops. Maybe I want them a little bigger. This is what it looks like from the side, and I just ran out of ribbon, so I just had enough to make 6 loops, and I don't count the center. So this is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just going to secure the center so it doesn't come apart. Just kind of pinching it together, and I'll twist it, and that'll all get hidden when I spread the bow out. Just make it nice and tight, and just snip off the excess. Okay, now I'm just going to start spreading the loops around, just kind of shaping the bow. I just separate them in different directions just to make it look full. I'm going to fluff it up even more, but this is the gist of it so far. I just slipped a little bit of this floral wire underneath the floral wire that's holding the bow together, just so that I can use this to hold it onto the wreath. So I'm going to find a spot where I'm going to attach it here. I have my picks in place right now. I just laid them out the way I'd like them. I'm just going to take my glue gun now and just glue these in so they don't fall out. My finishing touch are these little mini ornaments that I'm going to add. I've doubled them up. I think they look cute like that. I just put them together with a little bit of floral wire to hold them together, and I'm just going to glue them down just in different spots. I already have them placed where I want them. I kind of have them even on each side of the bow, so I'm just going to glue that. You really just want to place them wherever they look good to you. I tend to like them a little, I guess, top heavy, with this balanced at the top on either side of the bow, and then I have them on either side a little further down. Down here I'm just going to place one at the center. But really, it's whatever you like. I'm really liking the colors. I kind of like the traditional red and green Christmas colors. I'm just going to glue this last piece in, and then I'll be back to show you how the wreath looks on our front door.